All right, so here we have a 2006 Honda Ridgeline. We're going to be replacing the wiper blades. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we need to get our wiper blades parked in the upper position. So we're going to turn the key on, turn the wiper blades on to whatever speed, just click it on. As soon as it gets to where we want it to be, we'll turn the ignition off and they'll park in that upright position. So we'll go ahead and do that now. All right, so on this vehicle we have two different size wiper blades. We have a 24-inch and we have a 22-inch. All right, so here we have our wiper blades that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. We'll go ahead and get our blades off here. So we want to lift it forward. All right, so now we want to remove our wiper blade. There are some tabs. This fits a bunch of different vehicles, but this one should just pull off straight down and we can remove it. All right, for this style blade here, we want to go ahead and open up our cover. All right, and there we have our same little slip fit that we had before. So we're going to go ahead and feed our wiper blade through, like this. Then we can clamp it in our spot. And close it down. All right, so we'll go ahead and do the same thing on this one. All right, now we're all set. All right, and we're all set with that.